Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again, another short video. Finally found the camper top for my F-150. Made a video and put it up. It was red, painted white with rubberized undercoating, well, rubberized paint. Sanded it real good, painted white with rubber coating. Didn't have an end gate on it. I made it. Got it put on a few minutes ago. Put plexiglass in that. Really good rubberized caulking I put around the inside of this glass. I'm gonna have to put another bead around this. I got to get a latch for here and a latch for the other side, a hook on each side inside to latch it when I'm sleeping, when I'm camping. I got to get my truck cleaned out before I can do any camping. Got a window missing up front, that won't matter. All the other glass is in it, it's good. So camper tops, $300 and up, and you can't tell what they fit. No one gives you the size. This one came up for sale in Kingsport, Tennessee. I am in Morristown. $50. $50. It was red. So went all the way to Kingsport to get it for 50 bucks. Painted it. Got the lid made. Ready to do some truck camping when it warms up. Today is December 30th, but gets warm weather. I'll have my Coleman stove in there, my bed, cooler, blankets, cooler of food, drinks, Coleman lanterns, Coleman stove again, coffee pot. Be doing some camping. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Have a good day.